SQLAlchemy, delete object directly from one-to-many relationship without using Session.Delete. I have the following SQLAlchemy setup. With this, I can create post objects with a one-to-many relationship to comments. I want to handle creation and deletion of comments for posts without referencing the session. Adding a comment to a post works just fine. My session handler only knows about posts, so it would do a session.add post and the comment is placed into the session automatically and is synchronized with the database on the next session.commit. However, the same is not true for deletion of comments. I want to be able to delete a comment by just doing. However, this produces the following error on the next session.commit. How do I tell SQLAlchemy to not update the comment with a null value for post_i.d? Which is not allowed due to the not null constraint on the column, but delete the comment instead. I know that I could do Session.Delete comment, but since I did not need to add the comment to the session explicitly, I don't see a reason why I should have to delete it from the session explicitly. I found several solutions for cascading deletes to related objects, but since I never issue any explicit deletions to the session, the post is still there. I don't think that is applicable. Edit, I adjusted the example to include the cascading of deletions from posts. Now it works to do Session.Delete post and all comments are deleted. But I just want to automatically delete the comments I remove from the relationship and not delete the whole post with all comments. TL, Doctor, how do I tell SQLAlchemy to issue a delete statement instead of an update statement when I remove an entry from a relationship list of a one-to-many relationship?
Read configuring delete/delete orphan cascade section of documentation for more information, but basically you need delete orphan as well in your cascade option of the relationship.
I am not a SQLAlchemy user, but I think you should use the onDelete option. See mysql 5.6 manual, the 13th of June 1944, foreign key constraints. And this URL section defining foreign keys on update and on delete.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.